my Cation army, I hope that you all are doing fantastic. A very warm welcome to your fourth session on the periodic properties and the variations. So a super duper important class. I'm your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik at Vedantu. So what are we going to understand in this class? So first of all, let me give you an idea what we did in the previous class. So we started the periodic properties. Right, like what are those properties which are repeating themselves after a certain interval of time, which will help me to study the properties of elements in an easier and in a specific way. The first one that we saw was the atomic size. Right, that is how atomic size is varying across the period, left to right and top to bottom in a group. So you have seen that because nuclear charge keeps on increasing from left to right, so as a result of which overall size of the atom decreases. So left to right we have seen the size of atom keeps on decreasing, and when you go top to bottom in a group, then what happens? Because number of shells are increasing and that is a dominating factor here, so the size of atom is going to increase. Something like that happens in the ionic radii as well. So we have seen, we have compared the size of cations to their parent atom, anions to the parent atom. In this session we would be discussing the remaining periodic properties of elements. So this class is very important. So it doesn't matter what you are doing, take a notebook and pen and just start doing with ma'am itself. Okay, chalo. So periodic properties of elements, atomic size we have already seen. The second one that we would be seeing is the ionization energy. Then we have electron affinity and electronegativity. So these three are super important and students often have confusion here. Ma'am, what is the difference between electron affinity and negativity? So listen to ma'am very carefully. ठीक है, चलो शुरू करते हैं. Metallic and non-metallic character is super duper easy, so we can just do that. Okay, the first one is the ionization energy. So I will be changing the orientation of this screen, so you focus over here. You know that atom is spherical in shape. Okay, this is my atom. That's a fine circle. At the center we have a nucleus. Okay, so this is the first shell in which two electrons are revolving, right? And let's say this second shell is the valence shell of the atom and we have only one electron. Okay, this is an atom I have taken randomly. So how do I define ionization energy? Pay attention. See, you know that nucleus is positively charged. So nucleus is always having some forces of attractions on its electrons because of the opposite charge. Electrostatic force of attractions are there. Nucleus is positive, electron is negative. So there is some force of attraction which nucleus is imparting on its electrons, and same on the valence electron as well. Let's say you have to take the valence electron out. What you want to do? You want to take the valence electron out, but nucleus is already holding that electron. So what you need to do? You need to give energy against the force of nucleus now, right? So you need to give external energy. By giving that energy, you can take out the valence electron, and that minimum energy that you require to take this valence electron out is what we call as the ionization energy. Read the definition. It is the minimum amount of energy that is required to remove an electron from the outermost shell of an atom. Let's say you can consider we have chlorine. Okay, 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second, and 7 electrons in the valence shell. So what energy you need to give so that you can take out the valence electron of chlorine? That minimum energy to take that electron out is what we define as ionization energy. But there is a very important term, that atom must be in isolated state. Isolated, I told you in the previous class as well, it means atom should be free. Okay, so ऐसा नहीं है that atom is making a bond or it is just combined with some another atom. No, you have to take isolated form. And how can you get that isolated form? If you convert that specific element in the gaseous state, right? Just say if you take the sodium metal and you take it to a high temperature, you will get it in the gaseous state, So in the gaseous state, you know, atoms move far apart from each other. So atom would be present in the isolated state, right? So whenever you define ionization energy, it is very important to you mention this point, isolated gaseous atom. Clear hai? So that is, I guess, not difficult. So ionization energy, again, that minimum energy you need to give so that you can take out the valence electron from an atom, but it should be in the isolated gaseous state, so that atom is not combined with any other element. Okay? Now we will understand what is the trend of ionization energy. So trend of ionization energy, again ma'am is going to change the screen. Dekho. Let's say I am going left to right across a period. You all can see the screen, right? Okay, so we are going left to right. Let's say second period elements we are having: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, up to fluorine. So we are not talking about the group 18th element. Remember that, okay? They are noble gases. I will tell you separately about them, and they are not interested because their octet is already completed. Like, we don't want to lose any electron. We are happy this way. Okay? Okay. So lithium, beryllium, boron, up to fluorine I am going. So what is happening on going left to right? You know, atomic number is increasing. Atomic number is increasing, that means number of protons in the nucleus are increasing. Protons matlab nucleus ka charge is increasing. So can I say that effective nuclear charge is also increasing? Definitely. So what is happening? Because of increasing number of protons, so now these protons which are present inside the nucleus, they would be pulling the valence electron towards it much more tightly. They're like, arey, hamara number बढ़ गया. Fluorine is having 9 protons. So those 9 protons are going to hold the valence electron much more tightly as compared to lithium के 3 protons जितना tight hold करेंगे. So they're like, we gonna win. So you know, because of this increase in effective nuclear charge, size of the atom decreases. So this is, let's say, something how lithium is gonna look like. Then fluorine would be tuk, 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 tuk. If only I can you can just see that. ठीक है, so बहुत छोटा size हो गया. Because of decrease in size left to right, what happens? This nucleus attracts the valence electrons more tightly now. So it becomes difficult for you to take out the electron. Imagine fluorine से electron निकालना कैसा होगा? Fluorine is like, what? No, don't come close to me. I'm not going to give you anything, because fluorine is having 7 valence electrons. So it has very high tendency to rather gain the electron, not to lose it. So if you have any plans to take out electron from these atoms, then you need to give very huge amount of the energy, right? So ionization energy on going left to right across a period always is gonna increase. लिख लो यहाँ पर ionization energy increases. We have mentioned the trend here, so you can download the session notes from the PDF and you can start practicing. देखो, ionization energy across a period increases because effective nuclear charge increases. That is easy. Okay, now what will happen on going down the group? Down the group का trend बहुत easy है. You have seen, let's say we have group 1 elements. I'm not considering hydrogen. Let's say metal से lithium, sodium, potassium, ठीक है, और ले सकते हो rubidium, cesium, francium. That's your choice. You can just take them also. Okay, so we are having lithium. Lithium is having how many shells? 2 shells. Okay, then you have sodium. Sodium will be having 3 shells. What is the configuration? 2, 8, 1. Lithium 2, 1 is the configuration. Okay, you go to potassium is having 1, 2, 3, 4 shells. 2, 8, 8, 1 is the configuration, and so on. ऐसे करते करते cesium will be having 6 shells. And francium is radioactive, although we don't talk about it, but still, ठीक है, francium कैसा दिखेगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as we go top to bottom, then atomic size we know is increasing because number of shells are increasing. So because of this increase in size, what happens? Nucleus ka distance from its valence electron is increasing. So nucleus be like, array, So have you ever traveled in a train where there is a lot of rush and you have kept your bags in like your luggage there, so you are just continuously looking there, and there's lot of rush, so you're not able to focus and concentrate on your luggage. You're like, अरे यार कहाँ गया? I'm still looking for it. So something like that happens. Nucleus is continuously doing like that. So many electrons are present between the path, and it has to look at the valence electron specifically. So it becomes very difficult for the nucleus to attract the valence electron on going down the group. So but it will become easier for you to take out the electron. ठीक है? So इसके केस में you have to give very less energy. थोड़ा सा energy दो and electron will be popped out automatically. It will be knocked out, right? So on going top to bottom, then what happens? Ionization energy is gonna decrease, right? So the trend is written over here. You can just read that out. While going down the group, ionization energy decreases. Okay, so you can relate this easily now, I guess. So that is how it's gonna vary. So we have shown you with the help of tables so that it becomes easy for you to do the revision. Okay, okay. Now the next property is electron affinity. This is very interesting. Again, ma'am is gonna take a chotu sa orientation of herself. You focus on the screen. We need a lot of space in today's class. ठीक है? देखो electron affinity में क्या होता है? Let's say I have taken chlorine atom. Okay, 287 is the configuration. Now chlorine has very high tendency to gain the electron because chlorine is that student of the class जिसके 100 में से ना 99 marks आ गए. And chlorine is like, ma'am, please give me 1 mark. Please, for God's sake, I will score 100. होता है ना कभी कभी. So what happens? Chlorine is like having 7 electrons and it's like, I want 1 electron at any cost. So what happens? It's always ready to gain an electron. So let's say you are giving 1 electron to chlorine. Okay, because it is gaining a negatively charged particle, so it acquires a negative charge. The configuration is now a stable configuration. So whenever an atom is gaining the electron, there is always some release of energy. यहाँ पर देखो stable हो गया है 287 to a noble gas like noble gas configuration है पूरा. So some sort of energy would be पक्का released. And this released amount of energy is what we define as the electron affinity. देखो, if an electron is added to a neutral atom, point to be noted, the atom must be a neutral atom. It should not be a charged particle. ठीक है, neutral atom in the gaseous state. So chlorine I have taken in the gaseous state. फिर से पढ़ो. If an electron is added to the neutral atom in the gaseous state, then some energy is released. This released amount of energy is what we define as the electron affinity. ठीक है, so ध्यान रखना, electron affinity and you have the gaseous neutral atom. Affinity is that love for the electron. ठीक है, वो क्या love है electron के लिए. I just want that electron, so I will release energy for that. Ionization energy क्या था? Ionization energy was that energy that you had to give to take out the electron, the valence electron. जो energy आपने दिया था. And electron affinity is the energy that is released when an atom is gaining the electron in the neutral gaseous state. Okay, there is a difference here, so keep all the properties in mind. जैसे देखो, when this oxygen is gaining an electron, then it is releasing 142 kilojoules of energy. So what will I say? I will say that this is the electron affinity. So you have to see, okay, oxygen in the gaseous state, neutral, gaining 1 electron, forming oxide ion and releasing 142 kilojoules of energy. ठीक है, कर सकते हो. Now let's see the trend of electron affinity. यहाँ पर again ma'am is take a छोटू सा orientation. Okay, so you've understood electron affinity. थोड़ा सा छोटा सा बना लिया करो. If you get confused, like this is the atom. Atom is gaining an electron and now releasing some amount of energy. Okay, so again we will see left to right what is happening. देखो, again we will see second period elements को ले सकते हो, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. On going left to right, every point will remain same. I told you, if you understand one property, then all the properties you can give the reason yourself. You don't have to cram anything, and that is the beauty of the chapter. कुछ भी याद नहीं करना है, everything will come itself. ठीक है, देखो. So again, starting from there, atomic number is increasing on going left to right. That means number of protons are increasing. That means effective nuclear charge is going to increase. Now nucleus will be pulling the electron much more tightly. So I know atomic size is going to decrease. देख लो, this is how lithium is going to look, 2 1, and fluorine is like, oh, I am very छोटू सा, 2 7. Right? So what happens, left to right जाने पर this nucleus is holding the valence electrons much more tightly. So in this case, if you ask fluorine, भैया you want to gain an electron, fluorine would be very happy. Yes, I am ready to gain the electron and I will make a fluoride ion, my octet would be completed and I will release a plenty amount of energy. ठीक है, काफ़ी energy release होगा, that is X, let's say. So electron affinity on going left to right across a period increases because it becomes easy for the atom to gain the electron. ठीक है, so आप कह सकते हो easy for the atom to gain the electrons on going left to right. So अगर electron gain करना easy है, it will gain the electron and will release a plenty of energy. But if you ask lithium 2 1 is the configuration, do you want to gain an electron and make lithium ion? Oh my god, anion lithium, and what will I do with the 2 2 configuration? से lithium को क्या फायदा है? It's not even octet is completed. So lithium is like नहीं, don't look at me. So what is happening? Electron affinity यहाँ पर बहुत कम है, इसीलिए metals have very, like you can say, very less or negligible electron affinity, but non-metals are known for gaining the electrons, so their electron affinity is very high. So left to right, electron affinity increasing, so we have written it here. Okay, period में increase कर गया. ठीक है, now what happens top to bottom? Again छोटू सा orientation. देखो, same point रहेगा when you are going top to bottom in a group. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Number of shells are increasing. ठीक है, top to bottom जाने पर क्या हुआ? Number of shells are increasing. So let's say this is how lithium भैया is gonna look like. फ्रांशियम की बात करोगे तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 है कि नहीं, देख लेना, 3 4 5 6 7. हाँ, see how I am showing the shells, just okay, these are the circular lines. So what is happening? You know the force of attraction of nucleus on the valence electron is decreasing. Size तो बढ़ ही गया है, atomic size top to bottom, right? So what happens if you ask francium to gain an electron and release some energy? Francium nucleus will say, अरे भाई जो electron है, I am not able to impart my pull on them, so what will I do with the extra electron? या फिर we don't usually talk about francium because it is radioactive. आप cesium की बात कर सकते हो. Cesium is having 6 shells, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the valence electron and ऊपर से you want cesium to gain one more electron for you. So nucleus will say नहीं, we don't do that here. Okay, so how will I attract that incoming electron? मुझे भी तो attract करना है, तभी तो I will release some energy, right? So what happens? Tendency to gain that electron is decreasing top to bottom. So I can say that electron affinity also decreases. ठीक है, keep this thing in mind, practice करना. Now a very beautiful question. If someone comes to you and say, अच्छा, tell me the most, tell me the name of an element which has the maximum tendency or maximum value of the electron affinity. सबसे ज़्यादा electron affinity किसका होगा? So your mind will say, अरे left to right जाने पर electron affinity increases, top to bottom electron affinity decreases. So it's well obvious, first second period में आप जाओगे, you will have fluorine, because noble gases की तो हम बात ही नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, so it is gonna increase up to group number 17, then that to topmost element is fluorine. So fluorine is having the maximum tendency of electron affinity, you will think so, but see the data. Fluorine minus 348 kilojoule of energy is released when it gains an electron. जब फ्लोरीन ने इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करके फ्लोराइड बनाया, how much energy is released? -348 किलो जूल्स. But if you talk about chlorine, देखो chlorine is releasing -364, more than fluorine. And bromine में फिर again it decreased, iodine में it further decreased. So what do you see? अरे Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Chlorine bhaiya is having maximum electron affinity. It means that tendency of fluorine to gain this electron and make fluoride is less as compared to the tendency of chlorine to gain an electron and make chloride. Can you imagine that? Why does this happen? देखो इसलिए ऐसा होता है because fluorine is already very छोटू सा. फ्लोरीन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है? 2,7. सो यू नो फ्लोरीन इज वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज, बहुत स्मॉल है. ठीक है, इतना स्मॉल है दैट व्हेन फ्लोरीन डिसाइड्स टू गेन एन एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन देन दीज 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द वैलेंस शेल स्टार्ट फाइटिंग. लाइक अरे भाई क्या कर रहा है इतने छोटे कमरे में, वी आर ऑलरेडी 7 पीपल लिविंग एंड यू वांट वन मोर पर्सन. जैसे इफ़ यू गो टू सम हॉस्टल, और कभी कभी हॉस्टल में ना होता है देयर इज लैक ऑफ स्पेस, सो दे पुट लाइक 5 to 6 पीपल इन अ रूम. पागल हूँ क्या मैं? सो दैट गेट अ फीलिंग दीज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर फेजिंग बस 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 बस. So there is so much of electron repulsions in the fluorine that its tendency to gain this electron and release the energy decreases to some extent. So fluorine is not having the highest electron affinity value, but if you talk about chlorine, then chlorine is large in size. ठीक है, लार्ज है साइज में, काफी स्पेस है, इसका घर बड़ा है. क्लोरीन इज लाइक हाँ come, I will take an electron. So the maximum energy that is released is here in the case of chloride. Now you will say मैम maximum तो iodide का होना चाहिए, इसके पास तो बहुत जगह है. But again in that case what factor will dominate? Nucleus is not able to attract the valence electrons very tightly because of huge distance. So वहाँ पर this charge is also decreasing. ठीक है, so tendency to gain the electron decreases there. So maximum electron affinity we have is for the chlorine. You gotta remember that important question. ठीक है, ये question JEE में भी आया कई बार. So this is the table of trend that we have added here. You can go through this overall trend, you will get to know. ठीक है, now important information that now Vedantu has started the new batches for the ICSE also, right? For English medium, Hindi medium, whatever is the medium of language that you are comfortable with, you can take an enrollment there. So I always say that early enrollment means the earlier completion of the syllabus, and especially for you people, ICSE का syllabus is quite lengthy. You have no idea about the syllabus reduction. We anyway have to study. So if you want to gain 100% marks and knowledge with us, then you can come with us in the long term batches. So we are now also giving the VIP. You would be knowing about it. So it's a promise, it's a guarantee that we are giving you, that after staying with us for 1 year, after like preparing just entirely with us for this whole journey, if you don't feel satisfied or अगर आपको लगता है मैम आई एम नॉट हैप्पी, सो योर मनी वुड बी रिटर्न बैक टू यू. ठीक है, योर फीस वुड बी रिटर्न बैक टू यू. वी वॉन्ट देयर वुड बी नो कॉम्प्लिकेशंस कि मैम कैसे होगा. इफ़ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी और सेटिस्फाइड विद द वॉट एवर यू हैव लर्नड हेयर विद अस, देन योर मनी वुड बी पेड बैक टू यू. ठीक है, ओके, सो ये वैसे करना है, फीस वापस करना है एक तरह से अगर आपके मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं, यू नॉट हैप्पी. सो व्हाट ड्यूरिंग द सब्सक्रिप्शन व्हाट यू कैन गेट, द अनलिमिटेड लाइव क्लासेस आर देयर. Okay, and we have quizzes and subjective question in the class, just like the paper pattern based. Compete with the students throughout the world. So after every, like when a chapter ends and at the middle of it as well, we have the assignments, we have the test series that continuously like keeps on happening throughout the entire academic year. So in that, your overall class performance, rank analysis, in-depth performance analysis, everything is done. Right, and apart from that, in the live quizzes you get to have the interactive replays. Interactive matlab even if the session is not live, so you can go back and still play the quizzes. ठीक है, वो भी होता है. And we are having the leaderboards as well. So for your real time performance and the report, उसके लिए everything is there. ठीक है, okay, so Apart from that, you would be knowing about the micro courses as well. बहुत सारे micro courses होते हैं that are unlimited. So what students used to do in the last year, I'll tell you, they used to take the subscription for the 1 month. ठीक है, 1 महीने का सब्सक्रिप्शन लिया एंड माइक्रो कोर्सेज अटेंड किए इतने सारे. दे हैव अटेंडेड द माइक्रो कोर्स फॉर ऑलमोस्ट द एंटायर सिलेबस फॉर द डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स एंड देन दे लाइक मैम वी आर डन विद द सिलेबस. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो जस्ट फॉलो दैट स्ट्रैटेजी. Okay, so you have the handwritten notes given by the teachers that you can get. In class doubt solving is there. So apart from the master teacher, we are having the class teachers who help you during the live classes with your doubts and the problems. So as many doubts as you are having, you can get them all answered in the live session only. Fine, isn't it amazing? Yeah, हाँ, this is the thing I was telling about. So if you are smart enough, अगर आप active हो, so you can even complete the syllabus via micro courses and they will also be available even when your subscription ends. You will still have access to them. Okay, free crash courses are there, crash courses there, mid-term revision is there, then we are having the fast track revision. So it's a complete package that you would be getting. More classes at a lesser price. So if you calculate it, you are getting all of that for physics, chemistry, maths, biology, English and social. Per month ka subscription is about around 2000 I guess. So what you're getting, if you divide the number of classes that you are getting, so one class you are getting almost for around ₹6. मतलब लेस के पैकेट से अभिषेक सर सेज दैट इवन लेसर देन अ लेस पैकेट. सो यू कैन यूज दिस कूपन कोड फॉर द एक्स्ट्रा 10% डिस्काउंट, दैट इज SKAPRO, शिल्पी कौशिक आर्मी प्रो. ठीक है, चलो. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आई विल बी चेंजिंग द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ द स्क्रीन. आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू डू दिस. यू हैव टू गो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ऑफ दिस वीडियो. ओके, यहाँ पर जाकर यू विल गेट अ लिंक. आई गेस यू ऑल कैन सी दिस. You will get this link, pro wala. You have to tap here, select your class 10th, select the target exam. I am preparing for ICSE 2022. Okay, these are the 3 plans that we are having: light, classic and plus. So in all these 3 you are getting these things in common. You are having the unlimited doubt solving during the live sessions, assignments and notes regularly you would be getting. टेस्ट सीरीज भी आएगा इसमें, फास्ट ट्रैक सीरीज, मिड टर्म सीरीज, एनी रिविजन प्लान दैट वी वुड बी डूइंग यू विल गेट इन द लाइट एज वेल, एंड द लाइव इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस. ठीक है, सो इफ यू वांट टू सी द डिफरेंस, देन क्लासिक में वन डाउट सॉल्विंग ऐप इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. सो वॉट एवर इज योर डाउट आफ्टर द क्लास, यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट इट सॉल्व इन द क्लासिक सब्सक्रिप्शन. एंड प्लस में क्या है, प्लस में यू गेट अ पर्सनल मेंटोर एज वेल. So they would be giving you extra guidance throughout the academic year. अगर कोई topic है that you didn't understood, you can just take the help of personal mentor. अगर आपको counseling करना है, you can take their help, right? So for 1 month you apply the coupon code, then you have to pay even lesser. So I would advise you to try for 1 month. Micro courses जितने हो सके attend कर लेना, and you will see, अरे मैम half of the syllabus तो I have completed through the micro courses only. ठीक है, चलो, I guess that is clear to you. And now ma'am will come back to the screen. This is how you have to do. You can apply the coupon code over here automatically from the description box. And now you are also having guarantee with you, so your money is in safe hands, and so is your future. So you can think of going in the direction. ठीक है. Okay, so again the coupon code is written here. Now let's go to the next property, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity क्या है, देखो, I will change the screen. Understand it very, just relax yourself. Let's say Ananya sir and Shilpi ma'am are playing tug of war. ठीक है, अनन्या सर की फोटो बनाती हूँ. चलो, अनन्या सर भी like ma'am what you are doing. This cartoon I learned when I was a kid, 10, 6 and 3, and then do this. This is your Ananya sir, and Shilpi ma'am would be looking like a pretty doll, obviously, long hair. Yeah. Okay, ठीक है, Shilpi ma'am and Ananya sir are playing tug of war. ये है that rope we are having. ठीक है, यहाँ पर let's say there is a point of difference. So who do you think is gonna win? Shilpi ma'am is pulling the rope towards this side, and Ananya said no ma'am, I will just pull it towards my side. So I guess Ananya sir is like much more stronger than me and heavy. So Ananya sir is gonna win, है ना. Ananya sir कितना pull करेंगे उसे इतना strong. Ma'am रुको, I will even take you this side. So what's gonna happen, this will be shifted towards Ananya sir. Right, जहाँ से ज़्यादा पुल आएगा उसी डायरेक्शन में the rope is gonna go, isn't it? Something like that happens in electronegativity. Electronegativity में देखो, let's say we are having hydrogen atom, ठीक है, hydrogen has only one electron, you know that, ठीक है. Then we are having fluorine, ले लो आप, fluorine is having 7 valence electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, 7 valence electrons है. Okay, now what happens for the bond formation? You just show it in this direction. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now for the octet completion, fluorine क्या करता है, it shares 1 electron with the hydrogen. Okay, and hydrogen for the duplet completion shares 1 electron with fluorine. So there is a covalent bond between hydrogen and fluorine, ठीक है, and there are 2 electrons involved in this. ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है which are involved. Now what happens, fluorine is having more tendency to pull the electrons towards itself, ठीक है. fluorine is having more tendency to pull the electron towards itself. So what happens, जैसे अनन्या सर थे ना हमारे fluorine and शिल्पी मैम थे hydrogen. So fluorine is like अरे this bond pair will stay towards me. So ये fluorine क्या करता है, this electron also is towards this side. Like I will erase this. हाँ देखो, it's gonna look something like this. Fluorine has attracted both the electrons towards it. Because fluorine is having more tendency to pull this electron, I can say that fluorine is more electronegative. Read the definition now. Electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to pull electrons towards itself. Point to be noted, this is just the tendency of an atom. ये सिर्फ एक atom का tendency है. This is not the actual gain of electron. When I talked about electron affinity was the energy released when a neutral atom was actually gaining the electron. वहाँ पर fluorine had gained the electron and released some amount of energy. But in this case, fluorine is not gaining the electron, it is only attracting, it is only pulling the electron towards itself. So there is a difference between the two. Okay? So tendency of an atom to pull electrons towards itself from a shared pair in a covalent bond. So this is clearly a covalent bond which is formed by the sharing of electrons. जैसे hydrogen and fluorine have shared the electrons. So there is a complete bond that is formed between the 2 atoms, and out of those 2 atoms, one atom has more tendency to pull the electron. So I can say it is more electronegative in nature. ठीक है, उसका टेंडेंसी ज़्यादा, अरे दे मुझे इलेक्ट्रॉन, आई वांट टू टेक इट टुवर्ड्स माय साइड. सो दिस वाज समथिंग हैपनिंग इन इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी एंड ये है इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर द डिफरेंस वेरी क्लोजली. बिकॉज फ्लोरीन हैज़ pulled the electron towards itself, so it would be feeling a partial negative charge. This is not the actual negative charge. ये कैसा है? This is just the partial negative charge. ठीक है? And hydrogen would be feeling a partial positive charge. So there are some partial charges developed. So I can say that this bond is not a pure covalent bond. I can call it a polar covalent bond. ठीक है? Polar मतलब यहाँ पर some charges are involved. So I can use the term polar now. इसीलिए if you take HF and you put it in water, then it would be ionized. अगर आप aqueous solution लेते हो, HF will give you H plus ions and fluoride ions easily because of this polar nature. ठीक है? So this is how we define electron affinity. Now it's time that we understand the trend. Same thing, second period elements, I am going left to right, lithium to fluorine. Again you won't consider the noble gases because they're like, we don't want any electron, we don't want to pull the electrons either, right? So left to right जाने पर what was happening, effective nuclear charge was increasing, atomic size was decreasing. So this is how our fluorine is gonna look. अरे छोटू सा हूँ मैं तो, and lithium is like हाँ अरे भाई मस्त, come to me, I'll show you, see what a big house looks like. So what's happening, because of decrease in size, nucleus is attracting the valence electrons very tightly. So if you ask fluorine, are you ready to attract one more electron towards yourself? Will you be happy by pulling the electron? Nucleus will say, yeah, I have very high tendency to pull the electron. So इसीलिए fluorine would be having much more tendency to pull the electron because nuclear charge is very high. Effective nuclear charge आप कह सकते हो, that is very high. And in the case of lithium, nuclear charge is not very high. So these 3 protons are making a phase. नहीं भाई यार, I don't want any extra electron. पहले ही I am not able to pull my valence electron. What will I do with the new electron? ठीक है. So when you go left to right across a period, electronegativity increases. So I can say that fluorine is the most electronegative element in the entire periodic table. And most electron affinity किसका था? क्लोरीन का. Remember that because in that case atom was actually gaining the electron and fluorine don't have enough space to gain the electron as compared to chlorine. Okay, so remember that chlorine maximum electron affinity. दोनों चीजें ध्यान रखना, ठीक है. Okay, so it's written here left to right जाने पर electronegativity increases. क्लियर है. नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स, अच्छा ये लिख दिया है, टॉप टू बॉटम देख लो. हाउ वी गोना सी द ट्रेंड? यू नो टॉप टू बॉटम साइज इज इंक्रीजिंग. लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांशियम. सीजियम को देखो, सीजियम विल बी हैविंग 6 शेल्स, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the valence electron. So you know nucleus is not able to pull the valence electron very tightly. So अगर आप और electron दोगे, the pull is very less. ठीक है. And if I talk about lithium, that is having just 2 shells. So in this case, if you ask lithium to attract the electron, it can easily do so because of छोटू सा size. So when I go top to bottom, then tendency of the atom to pull the electron towards itself decreases. So I can say electronegativity decreases in a group from top to bottom. ठीक है. And just like electronegativity, we have a trend that is electropositivity. इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी इसका ऑपोजिट होता है. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी क्या है? टेंडेंसी टू पुल द इलेक्ट्रॉन टुवर्ड्स इटसेल्फ. एंड इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिविटी में टेंडेंसी टू रिमूव द इलेक्ट्रॉन आउट ऑफ इट. ठीक है. टेंडेंसी टू रिमूव इन दैट केस एंड इट विल बिकम ऑपोजिट टू द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी. ट्रेंड भी एकदम उल्टा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. कर सकते हो आप इजीली. एंड वी हैव रिटन दिस एवरीथिंग हियर. Okay, now the last trend of today's class that we have to do is the metallic and non-metallic character. देखो, try to understand this. I am just penning it down all here. Metallic character, metals कौन होते हैं? Metals are the substances which are known to lose their electrons. ठीक है. जो which are known to donate the electrons basically. So if an element is easily able to donate the electron, I can say that it would be more metallic. जैसे कि देखो, so I am writing it here, tendency to lose the electrons. If atom is losing the electrons easily, it would be more metallic. ठीक है. Okay, and if I talk about non-metallic character, उसमें क्या होता है? Tendency to gain the electron. If an element gains the electron easily, it would be more non-metallic. दोनों trend will be just opposite to each other. So even if you understand one trend metallic, then the second one would be just opposite to that. ठीक है. चलो, let's understand this. Okay. Yeah. So we are going left to right across a period. यहाँ पर फिर से वही लेंगे. सेकेंड पीरियड लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन एंड फ्लोरीन. Write the configuration. Lithium 2 1 is the configuration. Fluorine 2 7. How lithium is going to look like? Tish tish. This is the 1 electron and fluorine छोटू सा size है. Let's say I am showing only 1 valence electron for fluorine. ठीक है. So I know left to right जाने पर what happens? Effective nuclear charge increases. So I can say that atomic size is decreasing. Because size of atom is decreasing, then what happens? This effective nuclear charge तो ज़्यादा है. This nucleus is attracting the electron more tightly. ठीक है. सो द पुल ऑफ दिस न्यूक्लियस ऑन द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज वेरी 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 हाई. सो आप ही इमेजिन करो, कैन यू टेक आउट वन इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम फ्लोरीन वेरी इजीली? फ्लोरीन इज गोना गिव यू अ स्लैप. मुझसे इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने आए हो शक्ल देखिए आपने. लाइक नो, आई एम नॉट गोना गिव यू एनी इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है. सो व्हाट्स गोना हैपन? द टेंडेंसी टू लूज द इलेक्ट्रॉन डिक्रीजेज. Tendency to lose electron decreases on going left to right. So अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करने की टेंडेंसी डिक्रीज हो गई है, दैट मीन्स मेटालिक कैरेक्टर इज ऑल्सो डिक्रीज्ड. ठीक है. सो आप ही इमेजिन करो, ये 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना फ्लोरीन के लिए इज लाइक नॉट पॉसिबल इन ड्रीम्स. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट लिथियम, विल से आई विल लूज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इजीली. मुझे इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आई डोंट हैव दैट हाई इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज. ठीक है. सो रीड इट आउट. टेंडेंसी ऑफ एन एलिमेंट टू डोनेट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन अ केमिकल रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड अ मेटालिक कैरेक्टर. और यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वन एटम ऑल्सो, दैट इज ऑल्सो सेम. ठीक है. सो और यू कैन से मेजर ऑफ ईज विद विच एन एलिमेंट कैन लूज द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टू द अदर एटम्स टू मेक अ केमिकल बॉन्ड. Right? And fluorine is like, I am the one who gains the electron. I am not the one who will give you the electron. So metallic character left to right जाने पर क्या होगा? It is gonna decrease. देखो एक बार देख लेते हैं ट्रेंड. हाँ, moving in a period from left to right, metallic character decreases and non-metallic character would be just opposite of that. I told you नॉन मेटल्स क्या करते हैं? गेन करते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो इफ आई एम गोइंग लेफ्ट टू राइट अक्रॉस अ पीरियड, दिस फ्लोरीन बिकॉज ऑफ हाई न्यूक्लियर चार्ज विल से आई एम रेडी टू गेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन. आई एम रेडी टू अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इट विल गेन द इलेक्ट्रॉन इजीली एंड मेक अ केमिकल बॉन्ड. ठीक है. सो यू कैन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द ऑपोजिट टेंडेंसी ऑफ मेटालिक कैरेक्टर इज द नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर. एंड उसका ट्रेंड भी एकदम उल्टा है. ठीक है. नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर इंक्रीजेज लेफ्ट टू राइट. It's like fluorine is like, yeah, get me some electrons, dude. I am ready to take it. कर सकते हो metallic and non-metallic character easily. ठीक है. I guess I haven't told you what happens down the group ना. So ये भी कर लेते हैं. हाँ. So when I am going down the group, what happens to the metallic character and the non-metallic character? I know hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Number of shells are increasing top to bottom, isn't it? Number of shells are increasing and nucleus distance from the valence electron is continuously increasing. cesium में दिखा सकते हो, फिर से आप यही केस ले सकते हो. ठीक है. ये है valence electron, this is nucleus, so this pull is very less. ठीक है. दिस फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वेरी लेस. सो सीजियम विल से आई हैव वेरी हाई टेंडेंसी टू लूज द इलेक्ट्रॉन. आप तो बिल्कुल इजीली फ्लोरीन यहाँ पर सीजियम से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल सकते हो. थोड़ा सा एनर्जी देकर सीजियम में भी, अरे हीरा इलेक्ट्रॉन, आई विल सर्व यू विद माई ओन हैंड्स. राइट. सो व्हाट इज गोना हैपन? दिस टेंडेंसी ऑफ मेटालिक कैरेक्टर टॉप टू बॉटम इंक्रीजेस. सो आप एटॉमिक साइज से भी रिलेट कर सकते हो सारी प्रॉपर्टीज को, दैट एटॉमिक साइज इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द मेटालिक कैरेक्टर. if size is more, then metallic character is more, and so is the electropositive character. ठीक है. and reverse would be the electronegative character. So write these all property in this way so that you can easily memorize them. Metallic character increases, that means non-metallic character is gonna decrease here. So लिख सकते हो inverse of the non-metallic character. I want you to make this table yourself so that when you are doing the revision आपको समझ में आए. Do this with your own hands. What is your homework question? You have to relate all the properties with the atomic size. छोटे से स्पेस पे यहाँ लिख देना, मैम एटॉमिक साइज से डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव कैरेक्टर, इन्वर्सली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव है, डायरेक्टली है मेटालिक कैरेक्टर, इन्वर्सली नॉन मेटालिक कैरेक्टर, एंड ऑल दोस. Okay, give the answer in the chat box. So in today's session we have done the periodic properties and the trends along the group and period. So in the next session we are very soon gonna have the one shot revision of the chapter, and uske baad we would be having the doubts plus Menti session. So make sure you leave your doubts in the comment box so that they can be answered. ठीक है. And now you are having Vedantu's improvement promise, so you can take the subscription, apply the coupon code SKA Pro and get the 10% discount. ठीक है. Okay, so if you have anything else, then you can write to me on my Instagram or on my email. Ma'am, will see you next time. Take care.